without a single lie. When fear of sorrow made me wanna run away, it was your words that came and saved me. The person I see in the mirror, little by little is changing, as if under a gentle spell. But I still wanna keep watching that same innocent smile of yours. So these countless feelings, I'll keep giving them to you forever, even far, far in the future. I swear it again and again in my heart. I'll hold your hand and stay right by your side, and I will never let go. I've made up my mind, I'll keep moving forward on the path I chose. No one can stop me, no matter what you say, no matter what you think. When my heart was about to break, when I was ready to give up, you held me tight without saying a word. Sometimes your words feel unfair, and there are moments they frustrate me, but even that is why I love you, and why I wanna protect you with these hands. I wanna watch the changing seasons together with you, with my own eyes. No matter what colors they take, I feel like I could love them all. Let's reach out and grasp that picture perfect happiness. Even 50 years from now, I'm sure we'll have found the meaning of happiness without even noticing. More than anyone else in this world, I wanna keep walking forward with you. Just the two of us, further and further ahead.